Hello and welcome to the kitchen, fellow travelers. Today we will prepare tea break pancakes. Unfortunately, I do not have any yellow berries, but I do have blueberries, so we will be using those. Come. Let's get ourselves a few bowls. This doesn't really count as a bowl, does it? This is better. In our bowl, let's combine 1.5 cups, around this much, of flour. Good. 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. This is a teaspoon. Half. 1, 2, and 3. It's just pancake, so you can eyeball it a little. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. Oh, not this much, just a pinch. And now mix. Unfortunately, today we have to use a fork to mix. Get a second bowl, and now let's add 1 cup milk. Eyeballing the measurements is totally fine, as long as you use the same things to measure. We are using milk of the cocoa goat today. This should be enough. If we need more, I will add the rest. And 3 tablespoons of melted butter. 1, 2, 3. Melt it. There we go. When doing this in the microwave, you have to be careful because it will explode. And mix. Cracking a single egg. Good. If you have seen Fremine's crepe video, you will know that you should let the batter rest a little bit. This also goes for this type of batter. You should do this with any type. It's totally fine to heat it up a bit too much in the beginning. Once it's heated up completely though, you have to reduce the heat. Wow, it's so fluffy already. Can you see? Oh, it's a bit light, right? You're already done, and you can start by adding in your batter. And we will take a random lid because I don't have the proper one. A little trick now is to take a very tiny spoon and put in some water so it steams, and put on the lid. And now you gotta wait a little. We'll continue to look at our extremely thick batter. I prefer using a silicone spatula, and we'll see why. Yeah. Wait a tiny bit. Maybe, you know what, just turn on the heat a bit more if you're impatient. Make sure to clean the kitchen as you go. Okay, the first one is a miss, but it's always a miss. It's a part of the progress. In the meantime, you can already get a nice plate. Ignore it. I can cover it. I swear this one is gonna turn out better. Oh, it turned out good. This is going extremely well. Now this one turned out good. Don't bake it too long on the other side, just let it touch it a little bit, and let's check. It is a very good second pancake. And if you're getting impatient, just remember that you love your sister and you're doing this for her. Get news from your sister. There's your stack. Now put some berries on top. Oh, I tried to make a mistake. As I said, I don't have any yellow berries. And a touch of garnish. Ooh. Now to round off this dish, we're gonna make another thing. tiny bit of something green. I'm using thyme. Always crush your spices before using them. Crack some black pepper. Again, put it in a little bit of water and cover it. This will steam it. And you're finished. Here we have our tea break pancakes. A fresh Tevat fried egg. And now let's eat. Then if you're eating alone, try to enjoy your meal. Let's cut into the egg. It is an incredible consistency. It's very crispy and soft at the same time. It's very salty and the thyme really adds flavor. And for the pancakes, they are very fluffy. Look at that. Try it without any spread first to see what you like on it. They're so good on their own. So, even if you're sad that your sister is not there, try to enjoy time for yourself as well. It was really good.